Ready to launch your business? Getting an employer identification number (EIN) is a must. It's your ticket to handling taxes and hiring employees. In just a few simple steps, you can get it hassle-free. Let's walk through the process together. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to get your employer identification number. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into irs.gov, or you can just search about IRS and then you'll find the first website you have just to click that appear on your browser. So once you find this page, you have just to click over file and you select business and self-employed. But before, let's know what is an employee identification number, or EIN as an abbreviation. So it's a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) to business for tax purposes. It's used to identify a business entity and is required for various activities such as filing taxes, opening a bank account, and applying for business licenses. So here we have it. Right now we have just to select the file here and you choose business and self-employed. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. Alright, right now we have just to choose if you want employee ID number, EIN, employment tax, estimated tax, foreign account tax, compliance act, if ETCA. So for example, I will select employee ID number and you will find this page. Alright, so here we have employer ID numbers and employer identification numbers. EIN is also known as a federal tax identification number and is used to identify a business entity. Generally, businesses need an EIN. You may apply for an EIN in various ways, and now you may apply online. This is a free service offered by the Internal Revenue Service, and you can get your EIN immediately. You must check with your state to make sure you need state number or country. So this is it. Right now also we have other things, so you have just click over apply for an EIN online. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. So here we have apply for an employer identification number EIN online. So we have here some steps that you have to follow. For example, the first step, which is determine your eligibility. You may apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States or US territories. Then we have the person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number. Then we have you are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. The second step, which is understand the online application, you must complete this application in one session as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Then we have your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. The last step, which is submit your application. After all validation are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. So you have just to click over apply online now and you will find this page. So here we have EIN assistant. So in the EIN assistant here, we have to follow these 5 steps to get your EIN. So we have the first one, which is identify, authenticate, addresses, details, and the last step, which is EIN confirmation. About this one, we have what type of legal structure is applying for an EIN. So before applying for an EIN, you should have already determined what type of legal structure, business, or type of organization is being established. Choose the type you are applying for. If you don't see your type, select few additional types. For example, here we have sole proprietor, includes individuals who are in business for themselves and household employers. Then we have partnerships, corporations, limited liability company, estate, trusts. View additional types including tax exempt and governmental organizations. Sorry. So once you choose the one you are or the one you want, you click over continue and you'll find this page. So this is the page. Here we have chosen sole proprietor. Sole proprietor includes individuals who are in business for themselves or household employers. Read the descriptions below and choose the type for which you are applying. So we select sole proprietor, household employer. So I'll just read this. A sole proprietorship is a business that has only one owner and is not incorporated or registered with the state as a limited liability company LLC. Then we have a household employer. You are a household employer if you have hired someone to do household work and that worker is your employer. So then you click over continue and you will find this page. I'll just confirm your section, confirm your section of sole proprietor because I choose sole proprietor. So I will just confirm it. Here we have what is it. And then I will click over continue and I will find this page. So why is the sole proprietor requesting an EIN? Choose one reason that best describes why you are applying for an EIN. So we have started a new business or hired employees, banking purposes, changed type of organization, purchased active business as well. So about the first one, select this option if you are beginning a new business. The second one, if you already have a business and need to hire employers. Then we have banking purpose if the reason for applying for the EIN is strictly to satisfy banking requirements or local law. Then we have change type of organization, purchased active business. Once you choose the one you want, you will find this page. So this is authenticate. Please tell the EIN assistant about the sole proprietor. So we have here the first name, the middle name or the initial. We have also the last name, the suffix, as you can see. Then here we have SSN or ITIN. So you have just to write it. So here we have choose if you are the sole proprietor or you are a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of this sole proprietor. Before continuing, please review the information above for typographical errors. So you click over continue and you will find other things. So we have just select information about addresses like zip code or email address, phone number and other things. Then we have details as well, and the last step, which is EIN confirmation. Then you get your EIN. So an employee identification number EIN is essential for businesses operating in the United States, serving as a vital identifier for tax reporting and compliance. Obtaining an EIN is a key step for businesses owners, facilitating various financial and legal processes. So this is how it works with EIN or also the platform IRS. You can just get started. Here we have also other options that we could the IRS help us. So for example, get your fund status, make a payment, use our tax help tool, sign in into your account, file your taxes for free, apply for an employer ID number, get your tax record, find forms and instructions, check your amended return status. Then we have your tools and applications. Alright, then news and announcement as well. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.